Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my plan with me in my personal planner. I am going to be using this set, which is from Lisa Lorraine Plans. If I held it right side, it would be better, wouldn't it? Isn't that cute with the little hedgehogs? I just love it. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to be planning the week of June 11th through 17th. So I'm just going to take those pages out. Goodness, I have lists falling down. And I'm going to put this up here. And I'm going to use this washi. And I'm just going to put it right down the middle. So this planner is used for my Stampin' Up! Business and also my YouTube channel. So I keep track of all of my videos and everything in here, and I also keep track of specific things that I want to do for Stampin' Up! In here as well. There, I didn't get it very straight, and then I felt like I wasn't sure if it would stick, so I repositioned, cut some of it off, trim it up. Okay, now this is a different kind of a set again. I keep using different things, crazy, but I think we can make it work. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these boxes, and I kind of need 8 because I like to put stuff in that first box too, but I'm going to skip it this time and just fill it up with these. And then I'm also going to put one of these on the side. Goodness, I keep getting the other ones off. That's a grocery one. I don't need that one. I don't use the grocery one for this planner. I do all of my functional stickers like that in my other planner, so if you guys are interested in seeing something like that, you could tune into that video. Actually, let's do another green. And a white. And a pink. Oh, let's do weekend first. All right. Whoops. Wouldn't you know? It's still crooked, but I don't care. I'm going to put my payday on Friday, and I'm going to put planning time on Thursday, and then these say to do, which I didn't even notice, so let me put some of these down. To do. I also didn't notice that there was washi in here. I didn't even see this. You guys didn't tell me there was washi on here. guess I could put this down like that. Why not? I have it, right? Oh, but I don't want to put it on the weekend. There we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So I'm just going to put them, I'm going to put one here. And then, I don't know, I might just put them here since I already put those there. All right, so I think that's the way I will do it. Then I'll just write some things in here. I know I need to do comments. I think I'm going to do a coffee recipe video. That's an idea anyway. And a live challenge, possibly, and a get to know me vlog. So I'm gonna write comments. I really love all of you guys, and I love the comments that you leave me. It's so nice. And I put these on opposite sides. Oh well. I mean, honestly, it makes my day when I read comments. It just makes me so happy. Do I have a book? I do. Church. Okay, and let's see. I'd like to work on crafts for Christmas. I know it's early, but I'd like to at least maybe do one a week and have them filmed and ready to go so that I can be ready for Christmas time. And I'd like to do some card videos, and I haven't done the open win cards. I'm gonna put that down for the weekend. All right, I think that's good. So that is my week for next week. I hope that you guys have a marvelous week, and I will talk with you all very soon. Bye-bye.